Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Amna Shahid and today we are going to learn how do we solve a linear system algebraically. So basically there are two methods to solve a linear system algebraically. The first one is a method of substitution and the second is a method of elimination. In this video we are going to learn the method of substitution and my next video will be on the method of elimination. Let's begin with the substitution method. Okay, I have given a linear system 2x plus 5y equals to -4, that is my equation 1, and x minus 2y equals to 7, that is my equation number 2. I have to solve this linear system by method of substitution. Okay, method of substitution is basically a three-step method. So in step 1, you have to take any equation, whether equation 1 or equation 2, and solve for any variable x or y. You can take equation 1, solve for x or solve for y, or you can take equation number 2 and solve for x or for y. This is up to you. So I would like to take equation number 2 and solve for x because I can see in equation number 2 the x coefficient is 1. I can easily solve the x value. So in step 1, I would like to take equation 2 and solve for x. Okay, now equation number 2 is x minus 2y equals to 7. We have to solve for x, means we have to shift this -2y on the other side. So whenever we are shifting any terms on other side of the equality, we have to take its opposite. So we have x equals to 7 plus 2y, and that is my equation number 3. I have solved x and I got equation number 3. So I have done with the step 1. Now in step 2, you have to take equation number 3 and substitute that equation into equation 1. Why we are not substituting equation 3 in equation number 2? Because we have already used equation 2 to get equation number 3. So that is why now we are substituting it into equation number 1. So in step 2, you have to put equation 3 in equation 1. Why? Because we have already used equation 2 to get equation 3. That is why we are not putting it into equation number 2. We have chosen equation 1. Okay, now we know that equation 1 is 2x plus 5y equals to -4. We have to substitute equation number 3 into this equation. Okay, my equation number 3 is, I have the x value, that is 7 plus 2y. So we have 2 times the x value, that is 7 plus 2y plus 5y equals to -4. Now we have to use a distributive property. We need to distribute 2 on 7 and we need to distribute 2 on 2y. Right? So when we distribute 2 on 7, so 2 times 7 would be 14 and 2 times 2 would be 4, and then y plus 5y, keep it as it is, and equals to -4 as it is. Now we can see that I have 2 y terms and 2 constant terms. So I would like to keep the y terms on my left side and the constant terms on the right side. Okay, so you have to keep the y terms on your left side, that would be 4y plus 5y, and move the constant terms on the right side. -4 is already on the right side. Just shift this 14 on the right side, so it would be -14. Now we have to solve the y terms and the constant terms. So 4y plus 5y would be equals to 9y, and -4 and -14, that would be equals to -18. Right? And to solve for y, just divide both sides by 9. So we have y equals to -2. So I have got the y value that is equals to -2, and we are done with the step 2. Okay, now let's move to step 3. In step 3, we need to put the y value that we have got from step 2, that is -2, in equation 3. Right? Now what is my equation number 3? Let's move to step 1. My equation 3 was x plus equals to 7 plus 2y. Let's write down equation number 3 first. So my equation number 3 is x equals to 7 plus 2y. I would like to substitute the y value, that is -2, into my equation number 3. So x equals to 7 plus 2 times y, that is -2. So x would be equals to 7 minus 2 times 2 is 4. So here the x value is 7 minus 4 is 3. So now we have got the x value as well. We have done with the step 3, and that is a solution of a system of linear equation. So the answer would be, so the solution is x and y, that is x is equals to 3 and the y is equals to -2. So that is a solution of a given system of linear equation. So we have done with the method of substitution. That is a 3-step method. I hope you guys understand the method of substitution clearly. In my next video, I will explain you the method of elimination. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.